We're gonna start by dicing the avocado. Add into the black beans. Dice the red onions. Dice a mango, just a half mango. Pine nuts. Good quality extra virgin olive oil. Salt, black pepper, cumin, smoked paprika, fresh squeezed lemon, and mix. You're gonna give it a good toss and that's it. It's a very nutritious salad. You can eat it as a meal itself or you can eat it as a salad, a side dish. This is how I made it because this is what the ingredients I had available at my kitchen. You can always add herbs like coriander, mint, parsley. Just let your imagination run wild.